Hello you guys, we are back with a Luvlette haul today. I'm really excited. We have some fun new colors in here and colors that I've never tried before. We have some things I've never tried before. I'm very excited to share with you. For those of you who prefer something that's a little more covered up or you like more support, this will be a really good haul for you today. I'm so excited. Everything was buttery smooth. There was not one item in this haul that I didn't like. So I'm excited to share everything with you today. So let's just get into it. You guys, this color. Okay, I love this top. It also has the padding, and right now I have shown this exact bra in a previous haul before, but I don't have this color. I have it in black and mauve, I believe, and maybe a nude. I thought this blue one would be so fun for spring and summertime. It has the 3 clasps in the back. I honestly, I wear this out as just like a sports bra. I know it looks more like a bra and it is a bra, but the way that it looks comes off very sporty to me. If you have a larger chest, you are going to love the support on this because look how thick the straps are, yet you can still adjust them, which I really, really like. Here it is with the straps down a little bit. I love this color so much. Like, look at this. It just looks like a cute little top. I'm obsessed. I love this color. The way that I'm dying over this color, I know for someone else this tone can work as a nude, but for me this will be a top that I wear a lot. I am obsessed. When I tell you I'm obsessed with this, this is the exact same top as the last one I just showed you. I love this color. I'm pretty sure I have this. I have this same one in this pink one, as you can see, and I think I have it in a nude. Yes, I also have it in this light nude. So I think now I have it in every color. I believe I also have it in a black. I really love this a lot. It just feels so nice, and I just love the way that if you are really looking for some serious support, this is going to be amazing for you. I'm obsessed with this. Also, I love that it holds me in and it gives me a little bit of a boobie moment if I want that. If I don't want that, I can kind of suck my boobs back and not have that, but I like that. So we're gonna keep them out. But I'm obsessed. The same thing, the clasp, the straps, everything's the same. Obsessed. Like, what more could you ask for? I'm dying. I also just love this material. It's just buttery smooth. It's so soft. You want to be comfortable and cute? Here we go. We got it. This next one I have here looks very similar to the last two I have, but there are a few differences here. And this one, as you can see the little, there's this mesh lining right here. The straps on this are also a little thinner, and it has an extra looping down here. The other ones have 3. These bras have 1, 2, 3, and this one has 4 along the back. So you have a bigger band around right here, which is nice. I really like this. This one still feels just as supportive, but I feel like the straps makes it feel a little lighter. It's smaller by just a very tiny amount, but I personally feel like I can tell the difference. See how they're smaller? So if you prefer a thinner strap, you don't like a thicker one, this might be a better bet for you. I really love this. This is really cute. I love the little mesh. This is cute. Honestly, I would work out in these. I love them. You can move, look at the support in this. This is crazy. I love these. These are the best. These bras are as if a sports bra and a regular bra had a baby. So it gives you the comfortability and the support that you need and still looks cute and keeps the girls right. I love it, love it. So I have this one in black, and I also got this one in this baby pink color, super cute. I would really like to wear this with a tan and some cute little sweatpants and wear it around the house. Honestly, I think it is adorable. I really love it. It's the same buttery smooth material, exact same as the black one, just the different coloring, same mesh, same straps, same 4 loops in the back. Love it. And now that spring and summer is approaching, and if you are someone that wants something that's supportive and you can still wear as either a top at home or if you're running errands or something, like I would wear this with some leggings and a baseball hat and go run my errands. But I also live in Vegas, so I feel like that's normal here. I don't know if that's normal everywhere, but here I think it'd be fine. The girls in this are looking good, okay? I actually have this bra in black, but I love it so much. I wanted other colors, so now I have it in a nude. You always need a nude bra for something, right? Whether it's a top or a dress, something you always need one just in case. I tend to lean into my black bras the most, but you're always gonna need a nude bra for something. So they're good to have on hand. Oh, my boob's like really good from the side. Oh, I love it. It's comfortable. I mean, it is a push-up, so you're getting that push, but it doesn't feel like it's pushing into your chest and up. I find that sometimes push-up bras can just feel really suffocating and they're very uncomfortable, but this one not so much. This material is also very smooth and soft, which I love. So under your clothing, it's not getting bunched up and weird. It's super cute. It has the thin straps that you can adjust. It has the clips in the back. It has the cute little Luvlette on the side, which is adorable. I mean, truly, this is just adorable. I'm obsessed. This is cute. Same bra as the nude one, but this mauve color, I'm obsessed. I feel like if you like a bra, it's good to get it in multiple colors. So that way you're getting something that you know you're gonna like no matter what. And I really love this. This like mauve pinky tone to me also acts as kind of a nude bra in a way, depending on what you're wearing. With certain colors and certain fabrics, a nude one may not work as well as this one. I don't know how to explain that until you've tried it, but I know that there's been things where I'm like, oh, I think I need a nude bra, and I feel like I can see the outline, and then I put on this tone, and it works. I don't know, color theory, I don't know. Anyways, I just feel like sometimes this works just as well as a nude one does. So I love this, so cute. It's the same, it's just the exact same as the last one. Thin straps, the clasps in the back, love it all. Now I listen to you guys. I know that I share a lot of very cheeky underwear, but these have a little more coverage. I love a little boy short for more coverage. It makes me feel the most comfortable. So I have a pack of 3 here. I have this black, I'm wearing a size medium. It's still a little cheeky for me because I pull everything a little higher up, but they're super cute, they're comfortable. This is my favorite kind of underwear to wear for that time of the month, or if I'm just hanging around the house with a big t-shirt on. This feels the most comfortable to me, in my opinion, in those moments. So I did want to get a couple extras. They also came in this nude color as well, and this darker nude color. Love them. They're really comfortable, and they're cotton, so I'm sure they'll shrink a little bit. I got a medium. I never like to get a small in underwear because I just feel like they're always way too tight, and I want to be comfortable. So these will be really comfy with a big t-shirt around the house. I'm excited. What did you think, you guys? I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would like to shop anything that I had today, please look at the links in the description box below. I will have everything linked for you, discount codes, everything. You will be all set up and ready to go. I love you guys so much. Let me know what else you would like to see. If you would like to see anything else from Luvlette, let me know. What would you like? I'm open to pretty much anything. So let me know if there's anything else you would like from me. Also, let me know your favorite items from Luvlette, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.